I'm going to show you how people are making thousands of dollars a month by posting quotes on Instagram and Facebook, all without showing their faces. Yes, completely faceless. You know those pages where on Instagram you see they're very niche down. They're either posting about motivation, success, wealth, motherhood. All those are called quotes pages. For example, you have the Shade Room, which is like one of the biggest quotes pages in the US. You have the Shade Room, you have wealth, you have success. All of those pages with a huge following and high engagement, those are completely quotes pages because those pages have very relatable quotes, so they are shareable, they are savable. It's easy for you to build a large following and for you to start monetizing. The main thing about a quotes page is for you to stay consistent. You have to post every day, at least 5 to 10 times a day. Before you say, oh my God, that is so overwhelming, I'm going to show you the strategies for you to grow quickly. Using AI and ChatGPT, you can create 100 posts in minutes and you schedule them in the business, the Facebook business suite. And every time, or depending on the time when you put for it to go live, it's going to go live without you even touching your phone. So that's how you're going to build your page quickly. And I'll tell you different ways in which you can monetize your faceless quotes or theme page. Without wasting so much time, let me just show you a few examples of those pages I'm talking about and how you can actually create one for yourself. So as you can see here, these are examples of quotes pages on Instagram. You see this one, the Motivated Mindset. It has a 1.7 million followers, 3,449 posts. Let's just look at some of the posts. Let's see when this was posted. This was posted 9 hours ago. You see how often they post. This was posted 20 hours ago. So they're posting multiple times a day. For you to 22 hours ago. So this is like those are 3 posts from the same day. 1 day ago. So they post multiple times a day and it's really easy. Look at the whole platform. It just has a dark screen and a few text on the screen. But you see, this is motivational quotes that people always relate to. So they'll always come back to it, to engage, to like, to comment. They're sharing it with their friends. You know how these things go, how the quotes pages always go. You see something that is relatable, you share it with someone that you think might like it. And let me show you another example. So this is another one, the Success Club. It has 1.7 million followers, 10,476 posts. This is the same thing. This is the same process. Okay, on this one, they even have some pictures. But you can see this is the same process, posting the same things. This is 8 hours ago. Let me see when this was made. This looks like an ad. Let me see in the comment section. Yeah, this is an ad. So actually somebody has actually paid for them to feature on this page. And usually for these shout outs or these promotions, you can either pay $300 for one post or $200 for one post, just depending. So imagine you have 8 of these promotions a day times $200. That's $1,600 you're making in a day. I say this is another post. This was made 1 day ago. So they are posting multiple of these in a day, and that's how you grow, because you have to be consistent at it, posting 5 to 6 or 5 to 10 times a day, or maybe 3 to 5 times if you want to be fair and say, okay, this is something achievable. You can post 3 to 5 times a day. Let me show you another one on Facebook. So this is actually a motherhood quotes page on Facebook. I know this person personally, the Undefeated Moms. Let me show you some of her posts. Media. So you can see it's just simple photos, a background. You can decide to choose a different picture and put a quick text on top, something that is relatable to moms. Look at this other one. Thank you for being the person I have with this deep conversation with. All of this, it is easy for you to create and do. And so without wasting so much time, let's get right into it on how you can actually start creating your own quotes page. So the first things first, you want to go to ChatGPT. As we all know, I love ChatGPT. AI has come to stay and it has come to make things very easy for us. Imagine those people that had quotes pages from back in the day. You have to write out all your quotes by yourself. Now things are so easy. You can ask ChatGPT to produce you 100 quotes like we're about to do now. So I've given you the prompt. I said create a table with 1 column containing 100 relatable motherhood quotes with 2 or more sentences. I want the quotes to be related to the joys and struggles of becoming a mom. Do not add numbers to the quotes. So this is the prompt that I have, and I'm going to just click search, wait for ChatGPT to do its thing, and it's going to come up with 100 posts. You see, This is it. It has come up with 100 motherhood quotes, relatable motherhood quotes. It's still populating a lot of them. And so why ChatGPT is doing this, coming up with the quotes. So with quotes pages, like I just showed you now, somebody has paid for promotions. There are other ways you can earn with a quotes page. So you either do shout outs that people pay for placements. It can be 24 hours, it can be 48 hours, just depending on how much you want to charge. You can also sell digital products on your quotes page. So with this huge following, you already have the attention of people. Whatever thing you put on your quotes page, people are going to buy. If you come up with the digital product now saying you want to teach people how to create a quotes page, and look at the success you have on your page, a lot of people are actually going to get it. You can do affiliate marketing on your page, you promote other products, you can do promotions, you can do digital products. I mean, there are so many possibilities you can earn with the quotes pages, with the quotes page, and it's actually very easy for you to start and do. And so right now, ChatGPT has finished populating our 100 quotes. Let's go to Canva. So we come into Canva. The next thing you want to do is you come into Canva and you type maybe quotes pages or tweet. If I want the quotes to be like a tweet like post, I can just type tweet post and it's going to populate different templates. Now, what I'm about to show you, it's with the paid version of Canva. You cannot do it with the free version because it's just with the paid version. So you see anywhere you have a template that has a crown, that is a paid template. So let me find something to use. Let's say I take this one that has the background with water and I customize it. I'll try to maybe change the name to personalize it to have my name. So this one here has Aaron Loop. Let me change this name to Maureen Bears. And where you have the text here, let me just put text. The next thing you want to do is to go back to ChatGPT and copy all of those quotes that ChatGPT populated for us. So I don't want it to have the header and the footer of the quotes. I'm just gonna copy. Okay, all of this, I copy it out and I bring it into into Canva. So when you come to Canva, you come on the left hand side, you see where you have apps, go to apps and you type bulk create. So under bulk create, you choose the first one, then you enter the data manually. So I don't want this column that is here because I have just one column. Delete column. Whatever text we have in here, I want to delete it. Okay, and right now I just paste. So you see all of the quotes that ChatGPT has generated is being pasted in here. You can see all 100 of them. If you scroll down, you see all 100 of them. The next thing I want to do is, okay, let me click done. The next thing I want to do is I come here to my tweet posts and I tap on the part where you have text. That is where I want the text to be placed. Like all the text that I've gotten from ChatGPT, I want it to be inside there. So I'll tap on the three dots and I'll go to connect data. Yep, I click continue. Then I generate 93 designs. Then view in folder. Okay, so you can see all the quotes that ChatGPT has given me. This is it, it has been created. You have them right here. So this is 80 plus 13, so 93. If we open that up, you're going to see all the quotes. This is quite easy for you to do. It's an easy way for you to just set it up. Why is my okay, so I guess I have to adjust a few things because this has those quotes there, you see. So these are the quotes. All the quotes have been created, they have been made. Now the next thing you want to do is to take these quotes and you upload it, you schedule them inside your Facebook suite. So if you want to download, go to share, click download. And now this is where there's a little bit of work to be done, because if you just click download, it's going to download it as an image. So all of the quotes are going to be as one. So this is where you have a little work, because you have to download them individually. So in this case now, I want to download, let me say I want to take page 1 on, and you download. The next thing we want us to do, or we have to do, is to go into Facebook. So right now I'm on my Facebook page. On the left hand side of my page, you come to Meta Business Suite. So if I tap this, it's going to open up the Meta Business Suite. And this is where we're going to schedule our posts. So you can take an hour or 30 minutes in a day to do all of this, to schedule maybe for a day or two, then you do it again. You come to content. And under content, you come to create post. So the good thing about the Facebook Business Suite is Facebook and Instagram, since they are all owned by Meta, they are connected. So you can decide if you want your posts to go to Instagram and Facebook at once, you can do it. In this case, I want mine to be on my Facebook and my Facebook group. So I'm going to choose, I'll tick out Instagram. I don't want it to go to Instagram, so I want it to be on my Facebook page, and I want it to go on my Facebook group. So I'm going to find my group. This is my group here, Nurture and Hustle, Moms Earning Online, and I'll click save. So every time I post something here, it's going to go on my Facebook page and it's going to go on my Facebook group. So I'll just come here and I'll add a photo, upload photo from desktop, and we have it here, and I'll upload it. So on the right hand side, this is it. This is where you see our post. If you want to add a text, let me say I want to add comments. Yes, if you agree. So you can put a text right there, and the next thing you do is you scroll down and you click on scheduling options. So it's going to tell you the time it can go live. So this is showing November 7, 2025. The time is 5:39 p.m. but I don't want it to go live at this time. Let's say I want it to go live, or let's just say I want it to go live at at this time. Let me just schedule it. The next thing is to click schedule on here. And that is it. Your post has been scheduled. For you to see the posts that you have scheduled, you come back to content, or for you to see all your scheduled posts, you come back to content and you come under scheduled. Then you'll see. So this is the post right here. You see it's showing two posts because one has to go on my Facebook page and the other one has to go on my Facebook group. It's showing you the day, it's showing you the time this is going to be public. So guys, that's how you create a quote page or a theme page on Instagram or Facebook using AI tools, completely free, ChatGPT, Canva, and the Facebook Business Suite that Facebook has for you to schedule your post. This is easy for you to do. The only thing, like I said before, is for you to be consistent. Post 5 to 10 times a day, because the more you post, the more you're going to build your following, the more you're going to get engagement, likes, comments, shares, and all of these are going to build up your page really fast for you to start monetizing. And if you are not monetized on Facebook, this is a good way for you to actually get monetized, because with all of the content you're putting out there, Facebook is going to be like, okay, this person is making us money, and so we can reward you by paying you out some of that money that you're making for them. And if you want a step-by-step guide on how you can actually create a quotes page, I have an online course with a community of like-minded individuals that want to create quotes pages or want to earn with quotes pages. You can click the link down in the description box. And this online course is also an affiliate course, meaning if you resell it to somebody else, you're going to get 80% commission from it. So you're learning how to create a quotes page. You're also earning while you're at it. And so if you want to see more videos like this on my page, please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions. You can reach out to me on my Instagram at Maureen Bess or on Facebook at Maureen Bess. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.